Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another Ghost of Yotei video. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Omni Flame here in Ghost of Yotei. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You'll actually get the Omni Flame naturally just by playing through the main story. Specifically, it does unlock during the Twin Wolves, Twin Hearts mission. So just progress through the game and you will earn it. But to actually activate it, you just have to press R1 and your weapon's going to be coated in fire for about 30 seconds. It is very strong and it does burn enemies pretty quickly. But to actually upgrade the capacity, you're going to want to head over to the Terror of the Scavenger Vendor, because this is where you can increase how many uses you do have. And if you do run out, you can actually craft more Omni Flame charges at camp. It's going to cost 1 sake and 3 black powder for each time. And you just got to go into craft ammo and then specifically into consumables and replenish it there. Once activated though, you can chain it with other skills or summons for some crazy combos. Just remember, ranged enemies can still hit hard, so make sure you time your flame wisely. But that's how you can get, upgrade, and use that Omni Flame. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.